Good morning, candidates. Welcome to ACE, your accredited assessment center for event management and C2. My name is VGS Enriquez. I am an accredited competency assessor for event management and C2. I have here my ID with my accreditation number. Let me acknowledge first the presence of Miss Shirley Oriones because she is just here to oversee wood assessment. And I will now check your attendance as I call your name. Come forward and present your admission slip. Mr. Aranilla. Please sign it.
Stop mo, Abi. Stop mo.
Please sign it. Yes, now.
Okay, Miss Angela, how's your feeling today?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, let's proceed for feedbacking for your practical performance. You did it right satisfactory and also the oral question. You answered it correctly. Congratulations, you are competent.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mr. Aranilla, how's your feeling today? As I observed, you answer all the questions correctly, but you may lack something in your practical. But don't worry, we'll be still receiving COC and you can reassess anytime at your convenience and to assessment center of your choice. You are not yet competent.